vitamins and your health. These days, we all know that taking vitamins is an easy way to start pursuing a healthy and disease-free way of life. In the past, vitamins were used with diets, although they weren't near as sophisticated as they are today. The vitamins of today are far more sophisticated and geared towards certain aspects of your body and your health. Even though some people may not realize it, food doesn't give you all of the vitamins and nutrients your body needs. Although you may be following a healthy diet, you won't receive everything your body needs to carry out daily functions. You can buy high-quality food if you wish, although it isn't the preferred way to fix this type of situation. No matter what you choose to eat, you still won't get the vitamins and nutrients you need. If you have any type of restrictions with your diet, it can be even more difficult to get the vitamins and nutrients you need. Those who suffer from food allergies especially, find it even harder to get the right amount of vitamins. Even if you have a small appetite, you can be at a major disadvantage to getting everything your body needs. Smaller appetites get full a lot quicker, making it harder to eat the foods you need on a daily basis. No matter how you look at it, you won't get everything your body needs from food. To get the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients you need, you'll need to use supplements and vitamins. Vitamin supplements are the easiest way to give your body what it needs. You can use vitamins and supplements in your normal diet, although you'll need to choose them accordingly with what you need and what your diet consists of. Even though there are many vitamins that you can benefit from, one of the most important is B12, which can raise your energy levels and help with your immune system. Some other vitamins you'll need to include in your normal diet are vitamin A, C, D, and E. These vitamins are very important to your body, as they help with many different functions. Vitamins C and D are among the most important, as they help with your skin, hair growth, and the way your body functions. To ensure that your body remains at its best, you should make sure that you get the right amount of vitamins with your diet. You can find vitamin supplements locally or on the internet, with hundreds to choose from. You should also include selenium and colostrum in your daily diet as well, as these two vitamins will help you with your health. If you take the right vitamins with your diet, you'll find that your health and energy will always remain at their top levels of performance.